Hey, what's up everybody? We're back with another video from EWA. We're here at the United Group Services headquarters. We're here to talk to a previous graduate who started off as a pipe welder and he's worked his way up through the ranks and he's now an estimator. So let's get in there and let's check out what his day-to-day looks like.
My name is Justin Haas and my current job title is Estimator for United Group Services. COVID happened. While I was in college, I was in the Lindner College of Business, and I saw a guy welding one day at my part-time job and was like, hey, that looks kind of cool, let me try it out. I would say just like everything that was going on with COVID and all the regulations they were rolling out and everything, the office setting maybe at the time seemed like super scary, and even remaining in college seemed kind of like, I don't know what's going to go on with this, and welding wise kind of made me feel like I was going to be able to be a little bit more free in the sense of you get to put your pride into something tangible every single day, and that was like a really attractive idea for me. And getting to hone in those skills at a place like Elite where you get to weld every single day you're there, it was really awesome. Ended up succeeding in weld school, passed my weld test for United, and a month after that, I'm down at Nucor working 6, 12, 7, 12 shifts, you know, and just loving it, you know, being a 21-year-old kid at the time. Never seen anything like that, and I was like, wow, this is special, and just tried to continue to be on that path. You prove yourself on a big job like that you'll be there every day and you'll do what you're supposed to do. You end up kind of getting bounced around, and that's kind of what happened to me. So after the Nucor shut down, me and one of my good friends that was a foreman at the time, we were two of the guys that came and picked up the QRV and got sent out to a whole bunch of different places on the weekend work and stuff like that, you know, because they knew we would do a good job and we would get it done swiftly. After that, I was kind of like, hey, I want to get back on a big job, because you get that piece of a big job and you don't want to get off of one. Found a better opportunity a little bit closer to the house to actually go hit boiler outage at Miami Fort Powerhouse, so I went and did that. And then one of my good buddies, Clint, at the time, he asked if I wanted to come back work at Nucor. I said, yeah, sure. Well, just 2 weeks after that, I'm up at BASF chemical plant in Cincinnati, being one of the only welders on that job for the duration of the job. And it's just kind of cool to see if you consistently try to raise the bar on yourself, that you'll get counted on for more, and you'll get those opportunities at overtime, and you'll get those opportunities at advancing, because they know not only how much you care about the company, but how much you care about succeeding for yourself. Because at the end of the day, that's I feel like a main staple of United all the way down to Elite is like they want people here that are striving to better themselves and better United along the way with it. So and finally got to go to Purina, and at Purina I was having a great time, you know, welding Schedule 40 3-inch stainless sanitary, getting that under my belt too. And one day I'm randomly walking on the job site, and our lead superintendent, Scott Shulkers, asked me if I had any interest in estimating, and I figured, sure, I'll give it a shot, see what goes on, and now here we are. I would just say, if you think about it every day for a long enough period of time, then it's probably something worth at least trying. Would you rather try something and it not work, or wait 10 years thinking about something you want to try and never do it? Because it could be the most fulfilling thing you ever do. And I genuinely think, I didn't even know what a grinder was whenever I started weld school. And now, looking back for the rest of my life, I'll be able to say that becoming a pipe welder was probably what ultimately taught me how to work as hard as I need to work in order to be a successful individual.